Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to see the introduction part of exercise 2.4 of chapter 2 fractions and decimals. Introduction of 2.4 is dependent on division of fractions. Till now we are doing only fractions only. Decimal part we will see later. Division of fractions, in that we will study 6 parts so that you can understand properly. Please go through this lecture properly so that you can understand the exercise. So division of fractions, in first part reciprocal of fractions we have to study. Two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. If two fractions are there, that two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other only if their product is giving the sum as if their product is 1. They are also called multiplicative inverse. For example, let us take two reciprocals. These two fractions are the reciprocal of each other. Why? Because when we multiply both of them, 4 by 9 into 9 by 4, the answer we got is 1. And that is the definition, that the two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. The other name of reciprocal of fraction is multiplicative inverse. Now let us move to second part, division of a whole number by a fraction. Here we will see how we can divide a whole number by a fraction. To divide a whole number by any fraction, we have to multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Let us see by example. What the definition says: to divide the whole number by a fraction, what we will do? We will multiply the whole number, that whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. And what is the reciprocal of fraction? 4 by 3. Reciprocal means numerator will come down denominator and denominator will go to numerator. So multiplication of that fraction into reciprocal. So when we multiply 4 2s are 8 and divide by 3 we will get, and in mixed fraction we will get 2 integer 2 by 3. Now moving to next topic, third part, division of a whole number by a mixed fraction. First it was only proper fraction, now we will see if it is mixed fraction. Then don't worry, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and solve as we have solved above. Let us see with example. Division of a whole number by a mixed fraction we are seeing. So what we will do? First we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. We have done. Now we will multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Reciprocal of the fraction is 5 by 12. If I cut, 4 1s are and 4 3s are, 5 1s are will 5 and 3 as it is in the denominator. So our answer is 5 by 3. Now moving further, we have seen division of whole number by a fraction and division of whole number by a mixed fraction. Now we will see division of fraction by a non-zero whole number. First it will be fraction and then it is divided by whole number, and how we will solve it we will see here. In that what we will do? We will multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. First we used to take reciprocal of fraction, here we will take reciprocal of the whole number. Let us see. The question says division of a fraction by whole number. You can see this is whole number and this is fraction. So what we will do? We will multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. If you see properly, 3 can be written as 3 by 1. And what is the reciprocal of 3 by 1? Definitely it is 1 by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 3 1s are 3 is 3 and 10 1s are 10 is 10. This is our answer. Now let us move to the fifth part, In fifth part we will see division of the mixed fraction. First we have taken the proper fraction, now it is mixed fraction by a non-zero whole number. Same way we will convert first mixed fraction into improper fraction and solve as we have solved above. You can see as question says division of a mixed fraction by a non-zero whole number. What we will do, we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, so it will become fraction divided by whole number. And what we do in fraction divided by whole number, we will multiply fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number, so it is 1 by 5. So 8 1s are 8 and 5 3s are 15 is our answer. Now the sixth and important part is, what if when there are two fractions and both are divided, that is division of fraction by another fraction. Don't worry, it is easy. To divide a fraction by another fraction, the first fraction is multiplied by the reciprocal of the second fraction. We will understand this definition by solving. Here division of one fraction by another fraction. Yes, so it says to divide a fraction by another fraction, what we will do, we will multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second. And what is the reciprocal of second? 5 by 4, right? We will multiply 5 by 4. Here also we will cut 2 1s are and 2 2s are, so we will get 5 1s are 5 and 2 3s are 6. This is our answer. So this is very important to solve exercise 2.4. Please go through it 2 or 3 times so that you can understand properly. We will meet with the exercise of 2.4. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.